Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. Today I'm going to be repainting a boxcar I got from the Phoenix Durango Railroad. I didn't get a before picture, but it was brown. Just plain old brown. So I'm going to paint it up into the Peej's colors. First I started with the boxcar itself, then here's the doors, they're going to be red. That's something I'm working on. Never mind that. Let's stay on task here. So I marked out where the silver stripe is going to be. So now I'm going to get the masking tape out and mask it up. And get to painting. And that came out rather well. Now I'm just going to letter it using a black Sharpie. Worked before, why not again? Messed up a little bit on the P and the G on both sides, but maybe I'll get around to fixing that, but it looks great now. Really like how it turned out. It's even better on the layout. And I thank you for watching this episode of the Peej's Workshop. That's all for me for now. See ya!